Hey guys, Dan from Love the Drive. We sometimes get customers who are asking us what's the difference between regular wind deflectors and wind deflectors designed for use with a light bar. The general difference is that our regular wind deflectors are designed to sit really close to the front seats. It helps reduce the amount of wind. Now, if you have a light bar in your Mustang or Camaro, we design a wind deflector specifically for your Mustang or Camaro with a light bar. And what you'll notice is there's a significant amount of difference in how much space there is between. And that's because my version of a light bar, your light bar sits right here and it impacts in the same way. So the upside is that you get the same impact. Our light bars are designed to either sit just right behind, our wind deflectors are designed to sit right behind a light bar or right underneath it, depending on the year and the model.
So in the other video, I showed you the regular wind deflector and the light bar wind deflector in the car. I just thought I'd give you kind of a heads-up comparison between the two. So what you'll notice is they're about the same height, but the one thing you will notice is the light bar wind deflector is designed to work with a light bar, and thus it's actually at a 90-degree angle. This one is actually at about 105 degrees, our regular version, and that's because it sits closer to the seats and it becomes more effective. And sometimes we get customers who say, hey Dan, I have a Mustang convertible or a Camaro convertible with a light bar, without a light bar, but can I put the light bar version on? Because maybe in the future I want a light bar. And in general, we would not recommend this. And the reason is because the distance from where the wind deflector sits to your rear seats, if you use the light bar version, this from the front of the light bar to the back is 15 inches. And then on our regular version, from the front of the wind deflector to the back is 21 inches. And because of that, this product sits 6 inches closer to your seats and is a little bit taller and is actually angled forward, so it actually is dramatically better at deflecting the wind over your Mustang or your Camaro than is the light bar version. The light bar version, again, is designed to work with the light bar, which is 4 to 5 inches, so it sits underneath in this case and just goes over, so you'll get the same performance from this one and this one if you have the light bar. But if you don't have the light bar, it will be substantially less effective at blocking the wind. So that's why we would recommend that you go with the regular one and not the light bar one. So there you go. So if you have any other questions, feel free, give us a call or send us an email at lovethedrive.com.